Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google two-step verification to protect your Google Workspace account. This security feature adds an extra layer of protection by requiring users to verify their identity with a second factor beyond just their password, making it much harder for unauthorized users to access your organization's data. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to admin.google.com. This is your Google Workspace admin console where you'll manage all security settings for your organization. Once you're there, sign in using your Google Workspace administrator account. Make sure you're using an account with admin privileges, as regular users won't have access to these security controls. After signing in, look to the left navigation panel and click on Security. This section houses all your workspace security options. If you don't immediately see security in the menu, scroll down to the bottom of the navigation panel and click on More Controls. From there, you'll be able to locate and access the security section. Within the security settings, find the section labeled Signing In to Google. Under this heading, you'll see an option for two-step verification. Click on it to access the configuration page where you'll set up this critical security feature. Now comes an important decision. You need to choose the enforcement scope for your two-step verification policy. You can either apply this to all users across your entire organization, or you can target a specific organizational unit if you want to roll out the feature gradually. Select the scope that best fits your security needs and organizational structure. If you've decided to enforce two-step verification, you'll have the option to configure additional settings. This includes setting an enforcement date, which gives your users time to prepare and set up their verification methods before it becomes mandatory. You can also create exceptions for specific users or groups if needed, though it's generally recommended to include everyone for maximum security. Take a moment to review these options and confirm your choices. Finally, click Save to apply your policy changes. Your two-step verification settings are now active and will protect your Google Workspace accounts according to the parameters you've set. Users will receive notifications about the new requirement and guidance on setting up their verification methods. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.